Hi everyone, how to become a registered pharmacist in Australia. If you have finished your BPharm or PharmD and looking to get settled in Aussies, then this video will guide you to reach your destination. What is the procedure involved, what and all the requirements we need, exams which we should clear, and about the expenses we're going to come across during this entire procedure. What about the annual salary package? Everything we are going to see in this video. Better not to skip the video to avoid perplexity on this procedure. Overall, you have to go through these 7 important steps to see yourself as a registered pharmacist in Aussies. When compared to the exams being conducted by the US, UK and Canadian Pharmacist Council, this test conducted by the Australian Pharmacy Council will be quite easy and you can easily clear this exam with a single strive. Now let's get into the step number 1, skill assessment test. Initially, you have to submit your documents to the Australian Pharmacy Council. That means first you have to go through the Australian Pharmacy Council official website. After being logged into their online portal, you have to submit your original documents like number 1, your graduation completed certificate, either BPharm or PharmD. Number 2, IELTS or OET, English Proficiency Test Certificate with a minimum pass score. Number 3, passport provided by the Indian government. Along with these certificates, if they ask any other documents, you have to submit them through these scanned copies. Once you have submitted all your documents, you have to pay 1,290 Australian dollars, that is approximately 70,000 rupees in Indian currency, to get skill assessment letter from the Australian Pharmacy Council. Step number 2, skill assessment eligibility letter. That means the documents which have been provided from our side will be verified by the APC Council. They will check whether your pharmacy degree matches with their native pharmacy standards. Once your documents got verified, APC will send you a confirmation email after 6 to 8 weeks of your skill assessment test. An important note here to look out for: the students who have finished diploma in pharmacy cannot be able to get registered in this process. Despite paying money and submitting their documents, their applications will get rejected because Australian Pharmacy Council cannot accept a degree which is below 4 years. So these students should hold an additional degree to get approval from the Australian Pharmacy Council. Once after getting their eligibility letter, you can attend CAPS exam by booking the CAPS exam slot in your nearest city. In India, CAPS exam can be conducted in 5 major cities. Students from North India can book their slots in Delhi and Mumbai, whereas students from South India can book their slots in Chennai, Hyderabad and Bangalore. Step number 3. Regarding the CAPS exam model, this exam will be conducted in 2 parts. Paper 1 will be conducted in morning, whereas paper 2 is scheduled to be written in afternoon session. Overall 200 questions will be asked. Paper 1 will have 100 questions and paper 2 will have 100 questions. As I have said earlier, Australian CAPS exam is quite easy to clear and have the following advantages over US, UK and Canadian pharmacist entrance exams. Number 1. Exam will be in a format of multiple choice questions. Just you have to choose one option among the given 4 or 5 options. Number 2. There is no need to struggle to reach the maximum mark, or else you don't have any competency with others in this exam. You need to score 50% in each paper to clear this exam. That means just you need 50 marks out of 100 to qualify this exam. To attend this exam, you have to pay 2,140 Australian dollars. That means approximately 1,20,000 Indian rupees. And it will take nearly 4 to 6 months to get your CAPS result. Number of attempts for this exam is unlimited. If you are not able to clear this exam, you can apply for multiple times, and exam will be conducted 3 times per year in the month of March, July and October. Step number 4. Once you get qualified in CAPS exam, you can open Australian Pharmacy Board official website and submit the letter which has been sent by APC and your CAPS exam result along with your pharmacist degree with other required documents. Australian Pharmacy Board will respond you within couple of weeks by sending the confirmatory email. You can finish all these 4 steps in India. Once you have completed all these steps, it's time to fly Australia to undergo your internship and to proceed on for your further steps. Step number 5. After reaching Aussies, you have to undergo a 1850-hour internship. That means approximately 10 to 12 months period of hard internship. Step number 6 will be your oral and written exams. If you feel you are confident about your intern study period, to avoid further delay, you can go through written exam after finishing 40% of your internship. And there is an option that you can attend oral interview after finishing 75% of your internship. Step number 7, last but not the least, PR visa process. Australian Pharmacy Board has nothing to do with your PR visa process. It's completely your own individual work. You can get PR visa through a consultant agency, or else you can approach Australian Immigration Services on your own to get PR visa as soon as possible. Once you finish your PR visa process, you are fortunate to work as a pharmacist in community pharmacies or in hospital pharmacies of Australia. A normal Australian pharmacist salary package will be around 3 to 4 lakh per month. Now the question arises, what is the difference between a normal pharmacist and a consultant pharmacist, their salaries in Australia? What is the per hour, per day, per month and annual salary in Aussies? What are the salary dissimilarities between a pharmacist who work in Australian cities and a pharmacist who work in Australian rural? All these details will be discussed in my next video. To watch my next video, please subscribe to my channel. To watch the same video in Tamil, Telugu and Kannada, you can check my previous videos. And don't forget to share this video to others. Thank you.